welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna discuss the match between Australia and New Zealand, day 2 match, which Australia they ended up on top because New Zealand they were struggling on 109 for 5. When we saw this morning that Labuschagne he ended up scoring 143, then Head was really impressive with 56 runs. Payne also added some really useful runs for Australia, 39, and then as always Starch he always had useful runs for Australia lower down the order, and he scored also 30 runs. On the other side, Saudi, New Zealand bowling. Saudi he was really impressive with 4 wickets, and also Wagner he also had 4 wickets. So these two bowlers were really impressive for New Zealand. About New Zealand batting, once again G Travel he has been struggling. He has got an average, really low average in last 10 to 12 Test cricket innings. His average is around between 9 and 10 average per match, and that's hurting New Zealand really bad, because they need to do something about that, about the G Travel. Either they have to get a replacement, because his form is really worrying for New Zealand at the moment. Tom Latham he couldn't do much enough for New Zealand, and we saw that initially they were really struggling against the likes of Cummins, Starch, and they were really impressive this morning. And we saw later on. Now I'm gonna tell something about the Ross Taylor. That Ross Taylor averages 64.6 against left arm pacers. He's best against any bowling type, but his average is 64.6 against the left arm pacer, and he's still there batting on 66. Loads of things depends now for New Zealand. The New Zealand chances are only if Watling and Ross Taylor they play at least 2 or 3 hours in the morning for New Zealand. Otherwise things will be really difficult for New Zealand. Also, I'm gonna talk about Kane Williamson and Ross Taylor. They have got the most successful, they have been most successful pair for New Zealand in Test matches. They have added 3,434 runs at an average of 59.2, and so Australia at the moment they have got rid of Kane Williamson. Kane Williamson likes playing ball on back foot, because his average is 63.6 on back foot. However, his average is 45.2 on front foot. Australia is on top at the moment. I'm also gonna share today the Christmas dinner which I'm having with my family today. We also had a barbecue on my vlog, which you will be able to see later on. If you like my video, please share it, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.